Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another DIY video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these Blippi themed party hats. I love the way these came out. They're super cute. I love the colors of the orange and the blue. They just look really good and they pop once I printed them. I added some pom-poms to the top of each of the party hat. I found those pom-poms on Amazon and I'll be sure to leave the link down below so you can grab those if you want. These hats are super cute to make and they're easy, so you know what? Let's get started. So to make these party hats the same way that I did, you can go to my website at kreateyourdreamz.com and go to where it says graphics and then editable, and then there's a section under editable that says party hats, and go ahead and click that. Once you get there, you'll be able to see my pre-designed editable party hat designs. So I'm going to go ahead and click the one that says Blippi. I'll be adding some new designs momentarily, but if you want to make it the same exact way that I made it, you will need to get this template. My templates are only about $2.95, and you can pick between a PNG file and a JPG file, and these are instant downloads, guys. So once you check out, a download box will pop up instantly but next to your order, and once you click download, go ahead and save that to your laptop or tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and use Picmonkey to edit this template, but if you prefer Canva, you can use Canva, but I love using Picmonkey, so I'm going to go ahead and use Picmonkey. Picmonkey also offers a 14-day free trial in case you guys are interested. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Now that I'm logged in, I'm going to go up to where it says create new, and then I'm going to go to where it says blank canvas and click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says print sizes, because we basically want to just open up a blank sheet of paper so we can add our party hat template. So when it gets to print sizes, I'm going to go ahead and click on the one that says 11 by 8.5, which is regular standard US size print paper. So it opens up to a blank sheet of paper that's 11 by 8.5, and then I'm going to go ahead to the top where it says add image and click on that. Then I'm going to go ahead and look for our Blippi party hat template image. Now that I've added our image, it pops up right over here on the side along with my other image from previous projects that I was doing for today. But when you add your image, go ahead and click on your image once and it's going to pop up in the center of our blank sheet of paper. Now that our Blippi image or our party hat template is in the center, we can go ahead and add text or font to it. To add a text or a message, you just go ahead and hit where it says text and then hit where it says add text, and you go ahead and just click in the center of your text where it says type here and just go ahead and type your message or your name. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to put a child's name, but you can put happy birthday, you can put the child's age or whatever you want to put on your party hat. So I'll put the name Jojo, and then I changed the font to a font that's called Luckiest Guy. Then I'm going to go ahead and change the color to, I think I'm going to go ahead and make it blue, or maybe I should keep it orange. Yes, I think I'm going to go ahead and make it orange. And then after I make it orange, I'm going to go ahead and change the sizing of it and make it a little bigger so that it stands out more on the party hat. And I'm just going to go ahead and resize it or reposition it and put it right above the Blippi hat. Then I'm going to go to where it says shadows and outlines, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a shadow around it to make it pop a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a outline. I'm probably going to do a white color outline. And that's going to make the text stand out so it doesn't blend in too much with the background of the party hat. But if you wanted to add a child's name, this is how you would go about doing it. The same way as adding a happy birthday message or putting a child's name or whatever you want to put on your party hat. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that because this party hat is not actually in order. I'm doing it for the sake of the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the Blippi's logo on there. So to look for certain logos or certain clip art, it's always best that you Google first before you pay for any images. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the Google search engine and look up Blippi logo or Blippi logo clip art. And then once that comes up, I'm just going to go ahead and hit images. And once you hit the images, a bunch of the Blippi logo clip arts are going to pop up. So just go ahead and go through the logos or whatever image you want to add to it. and pick and save the one that works best for you. I like this one right here. It's just a basic Blippi logo, so I'm going to go ahead and save that to my laptop, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that into my Picmonkey to where we're editing the party hat. It's very simple. You can pick whatever images that you want and just go ahead and save it. Now that I found that image and I saved it, I'm going to go ahead and click on add image and look into my computer and upload that Blippi logo to our party hat template, the same way that we added our party hats. So now that we went ahead and uploaded our Blippi image, just go ahead and click on the image once, and then I'm going to go ahead over to where it says remove background and click on that once. The one thing I love about Picmonkey, and Canva also has this option, is to remove the background. I believe that you have to be a subscriber to do this, but I'm not sure if they offer it in the 14-day free trial, but you can check. So once I removed the background of that, I went ahead and repositioned it to where I want it to be, which is right on top of the party hat. And then I went ahead to go over to download and save the image. So once I downloaded it to my laptop, I went ahead and printed it, and this is how they came out. Super cute. My lighting is a little bit dimmed because it's dark out, but these party hats, the colors came out so nice, guys. I used my inkjet printer and printed them, and wow, I'm absolutely in love. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these images out with my scissor. You don't have to use a cutting machine. You can, but these images are big and it's real simple to just use the scissor and cut them out. Just go ahead and cut along the black outline. Super simple. So I'm going to cut these out and come back and show you guys how they look. So these are how our party hat look after cutting them out. So to assemble them, I'm going to use my glue gun. So I have some glue sticks, some pom poms, and some elastic. I cut my elastic 10 inches long, and I'm going to put the link for that elastic in the description box as well. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take one of my party hats. I'm going to turn it over on the back side, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a small fold on one end of the party hat, just a really small fold. Like the party hat has like a little curve on the top, so you just want to make the fold small enough to fit into the curve, if that makes sense. So you don't want it to be too wide, just make the fold really small. I would say like maybe a half an inch or even a little bit less than that. So that's the size of the fold. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some glue with my glue gun on the fold of the party hat, and then go ahead and put the two sides together, or glue down both sides of the party hat together. So let me go ahead and add some glue to it. I'm sorry if my camera is coming out of focus. I'm really trying, and I know it's really dark, but I'm really trying to do this video for you guys. So let me go ahead and get my glue gun and go ahead and glue down the fold. Then after I glue down the fold, I'm going to go ahead and put both ends of the party hat together. It's very simple, guys, and it's really, really quick to make, and you can make a ton of these in like less than no time. Really, really cute to add to a party, especially customized party hats. It's a very, very cool party favorite to add to your child's party. So I went ahead and folded it down. I glued it and then I folded it down. And then you want to put one of your hands or a few fingers inside the party hat as well, so you can hold the glue on both the top, and then you can also catch it from the inside, just to make sure that it has a firm and a tight hold. So I have one hand on the outside pushing down, and then I have my other hand in the inside pushing as well. And then just hold it for a few seconds to make sure that the glue dries. The glue gun dries very quickly, about 15 seconds the most, and it's going to be dry. So just go ahead and hold that down for a few more seconds and while it dries. And then after that dries, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the elastic. Now the elastic, I don't remember exactly what size it is, but it's the same size that you use to make like the face mask. It's the smallest size elastic, or the second to smallest size. So once I have our party hat glued down, I'm going to go ahead and make the points of where I want to glue the elastic. So I'm going to take a pen, doesn't matter what color pen, guys. Just go ahead and take a pen that you have, or even a pencil or a crayon, whatever you have handy. Just take your marker and go ahead and kind of bend down both ends of the party hat. Don't bend it to where you fold it, but just kind of bend it so you can see which sides you want to put your dots in, so you know where to glue your elastic, if that makes sense. I went ahead and added a little bit more light with my flashlight, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of bend it a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a dot on each side. You want to make sure that it's the same side as the other, or try to get it as close to being the same, the dots on the same side, like even, as close to even as possible. And then once you make your dots, you go ahead and you take your elastic, and I'm going to go ahead and put a drop of glue on each dot, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my elastic to each side of glue. And that's all. Doesn't take much to do it, just real simple. Go ahead and glue down one side, and then you go ahead and make sure that the elastic is straight. You don't want it to be curved or twisted once you glue the other side. So go ahead and hold down the first side, and then take your elastic, flip over your hat, and then go ahead and glue down the other side of the elastic as well. And then you're going to hold that again for about 15 seconds or until it dries. You can tell when it dries because the glue is not as hot anymore. So just about like 15-20 seconds the most. So we're going to go ahead and glue down the other side, and that's basically it. After I finish putting on my elastic, I'm just going to go ahead and put on my pom-pom. And guys, that's it. That's how we make these party hats. It's super, super simple, super easy. You can make these in no time. I'll say after you do the editing, and once you print, I'll say after they're printed and you cut them out, less than 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes the most, you can make like a bunch of these, 10 or 15 of these. So this is how the party hat looks after I put the elastic on. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of my pom-poms, and I'm going to go ahead and put some glue like in the center of the pom-pom, and then just go ahead and hold it to the top of the party hat and let it dry. And that's it. That's how we make these party hats, guys. Super simple, super cute, and it doesn't cost you much. It costs you a lot less to make it on your own rather than paying someone to make these for you. So definitely give this a try. Okay guys, so now that I finished assembling our party hats, these are how they turned out, and they are super cute. Oh my god, I love this. So definitely check out my website. I'm going to be adding some new designs as well. Also, follow me on Instagram because I do put my coupon codes up on Instagram. So therefore, if you guys are having like a really big party and you want to do like everything matching, like the party favors to match, of course, you can get my coupon code so you can save. The more graphics you buy, the more you save, of course. But these party hats came out amazing. Definitely give these a try and check my site because I will be adding some new designs momentarily. But yeah, guys, I love these. Give these a try. If you're having a Blippi party, definitely try to make these. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I'm going to leave you guys as many links as I can down below. So if you made it through this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, and definitely, like I said, try to make these on your own because they're so easy. Thank you guys so much for the support. Comment and subscribe, and God bless.